Hey guys, I went on a date night with the hubby. He took me to Reggae Jerk Hut in McKinney, Texas. The vibe was great. The food was bomb.com. I had jerk chicken, Haitian black rice, and cabbage. He had jerk chicken, cabbage, and rice and peas. We had a beef patty. The food was delicious, but I'm gonna be real. I left hungry still because I believe them portions should be a little bit bigger. Cause for a big girl, the food needs to be a little bit bigger. But the price was very responsible, girl. Look at that receipt, girl. Look at that receipt. But try.